Hello, I'm Luke and I work for Expect Best. This is a quick look at a demo we have created for a sailing club with 5 different membership tiers and a full calendar of courses and classes. The committee were chasing renewals on a spreadsheet and answering the same booking questions on the phone all week. What you are currently seeing is an example of the system we have made for them. Although this is currently a sailing club, this could work for any type of club or a gym, for example, or if you swap all of this for lessons, maybe even a driving school. When you first open the app, it opens to this members portal. Under My Membership, a member will see their tier, what it costs, and when it is due. This one is due in 12 days. Before I renew it, I want to quickly show you the committee view. And this is what the committee will be seeing on their side. And it shows all the information they need to know to make sure this is running correctly. Now, if I quickly go back to the member portal, pressing Renew Now opens the payment screen. The club is a registered community amateur sports club, so subscriptions are eligible for gift aid. And the declaration is requested right here on the payment page. That is another 25 pence in every pound the club can claim at no extra cost to the member. Then all you need to do is enter your card details, pay, watch everything tell you that you're paid up until next year. Then if we go onto the community side, renewals have gone from 14 to 13. The payment is at the top of the list with its gift aid tag, and both the revenue and the gift aid figures have moved. Originally, a renewal had to be approved by the committee before it counted, which means they had to check a list of a bunch of renewals every week. So we removed the approval step entirely. Now there's enough between the member paying and the committee seeing it. We quickly go back to the members portal. As you can see down here, there is a booking area, which shows what members can book at the club for this week, from courts, classes, or courses. And as this system is always live, you can see the number of spaces available towards you at all times. This RYA course has 1 seat left. Booking it takes the last seat and changes the course fee. If you try to book the next one that's happening later down the line, it will say that it's full, but you are then put on a waiting list. And the committee can then see that waiting list to see who was on it, and that was one of the main points our client wanted from this system. If we go back onto the committee page for a third time, it's useful to see in the settings the tier options they have available towards them, because this is where a boxed product usually gives up. Here you can simply add the type of membership tiers you have available towards you, like full family, youth, crew, and associate. These have all different types of prices, requirements, and what their activities they're able to do. In the same area, they can add or remove a tier or an activity, change subscription prices if they wanted to, or add or remove committee members. So this is done all in-house without needing to ring us up. They also wanted a statistics page, which is over here. It shows which sessions filled up the fastest. This RYA course runs about 9 hours and sold out the last 6 times it has become available. So they want to put it on twice, and that is very handy for planning out next season's calendar. When we build these systems, we always make sure to be able to make it so it works on your mobile device, as it simply works with a browser, so this will work on pretty much everything from laptops to tablets, and of course your phone. What this main system adds is that their members can now sort themselves out in the middle of the night when they think they want to do something tomorrow. And the committee is spending a lot less time chasing up, so they get more hours out of their day for their work. Systems like this can be built to whatever level of detail is needed. Something like this can become a lot simpler if needed be, or a lot more complicated to a more bespoke build. If this is something you would like for your business, please click request a quote and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.